This is the ideal 1110 cardboard cutter. When the board cutter is taken out of its packaging, it looks like this. You will also find the blade protection and an envelope that contains the handle of the blade and the lock. The first thing to do is to apply the blade handle. I loosen the blocking screw. I insert the handle and tighten the screw. The protection of the blade is in a transparent plastic material. It has to be fixed to the two extremities. I remove the nuts of bolts. I insert the protection of the inside of the special blade guide. The two holes that are on the base of the protection are to be inserted exactly in the two bolts that are fixed on the surface. I tighten the two nuts I had removed with a key tightly. Finally, I remove the protective paper. The squaring guide runs along the millimeter scale and can be fixed in position by tightening this knob. The cut is made by pulling the blade downwards and at the same time pressing the pedal, which makes the presser lower. It's possible to make a single cut with multiple downwards pushes. The cutter can cut various types of material such as paper, card, grey board, mount boards, mezzanite, hardboard up to a maximum thickness of approximately 4 mm. Foam board with a thickness of up to 5 mm. Corrugated cardboard. In this case, it's better to hold the sheet in place with your hands as the presser could crush the carton's undulations. Any type of material such as a painting canvas or a matte canvas. The cardboard cutter is provided with an additional supporting surface that can be put in position by lifting it. The surface is 23 cm wide. Here you can see the mechanism which clasps the additional surface and keeps it lifted. When the additional surface isn't necessary, it can be put in its resting position. This knob is needed to move the supporting bar up to a maximum of 27 cm from the corner of the surface. This small wheel is needed to fix the supporting bar in its position. This is so that you can cut pieces of cardboard whilst using the supporting bar. The same process can also be done without the additional surface. The additional surface can be particularly useful when you're cutting pieces of carton or paper. The cardboard cutter is provided with a mechanism which is needed to cut very thin strips. Note that as I lower the blade, the supporting bar moves automatically so as to allow the blade to lower. This process can also be done if the additional surface is raised in position. The blade manufactured in Solingen steel is self-sharpening and isn't dangerous. It can be removed by loosening the screws which hold it in place. The blade remains constantly still in the desired position and is connected to a clutch which blocks it in position and stops it from falling unintentionally. This is a close-up of the clutch. The cutter can be blocked with the lock which is provided. This stops it from being used inappropriately by inexperienced people. The cutting height of the ideal 1110 cardboard cutter is 111 cm, and this is also the maximum dimension of the sheet which wants to be cut. The supporting surface is 75 cm wide and is situated 73 cm from the ground. The net weight of the cardboard cutter is 60 kilos. An instructions manual in the main languages is provided. You can find the ideal 1110 cardboard cutter on our website.